morning everyone. Hope everyone's been well. Hope everyone had a good Chrissy, good New Year's. 2024 far out. 2023 went so fast, it's ridiculous. Anyway, today I've got some exciting news. Nate from HogLights has sent me a package. Let's open it up, eh? Let's open it up.
Hey, get out of there. Oh, yeah.
Let's go. HogLights. No more Cyclops kit. If you don't know, this is why it says that. No more Cyclops kit. Because everyone always thinks my light's out. But nope, that's just the fatbob design. It's a Cyclops. That's high beam, that's the low beam. High beam, low beam. It's a Cyclops. For some reason, I think it was the American models, they came out with them both working, but then the ones that got shipped over here and other places came out with low then high. I don't know. Anyway, let's check this out. Let's open it up. I'm pretty excited. No more Cyclops. Shout out to Nate from HogLights. Thanks so much, mate. He called me and he's like, mate, I can't have you looking like a Cyclops anymore. I was like, fair enough. So he sent me out these. Let's check it out. He sent me the fatbob Gen 2 Black. So let's open this. Oh yeah. Can you see me now, asshole? How good's that? So good. Plug and play headlights. 7 years warranty. Let's go. Awesome. That says you're f***ing awesome. There we go. Even comes with a "Can you see me now, arsehole" sticker. That's wicked. Everyone loves stickers. And comes with 2 pages of instructions. Very nice. There we go. So this shouldn't be too hard. This actually looks like decent instructions we have here. So let's get stuck into it. Let's see the lights first, eh? Look at that. Damn. Isn't she lovely? Wow. Let's go. There's that, and then the little no more Cyclops adapter. Yoo-hoo! I'm excited. Let's get into this install, hey? How's the bloody customer service as well? G'day legend. If you have any questions or would like to have a chat about your lights, give us a call on their shop number, which is just here. Or if you'd rather email, hit us up. That's so good. That's great customer service. And then don't forget to register the 7-year warranty. That's bloody awesome. How good's that? Wow. Alright, let's go. Let's install these puppies. Alright, let's get started. What you need is 3 32 Allen key, HogLights fatbob LED kit, HogLights fatbob wiring harness, and 2.5 beers. Whatever you prefer to drink. This man's speaking my language, isn't he? I've got 2. We're sorted. Step 1, crack open your beer, take a sip. That's bloody nice, isn't it? Alright, step 2. If you have fairing, remove it. 2 simple clips on the Memphis shade. Alright, time for my little eyelids to go. I'm going to get rid of those. Alright, they're all cleaned up nicely. All you need to do is get a tiny little 332 Allen key in here. So let's do that. There we go, and do this one. Let me do this side. Nice, don't lose that. That's simple. Easy. This comes off. Alright, so it says remove the lights and then remove the harness and the Parker bulb. So that'd be the Parker bulb, right? And then we unclip these puppies. Might need a little flathead for this. Nah, you don't. Nah. There we go. How do you like them apples? So that's out. Next step. Now it says to plug in the wiring harness into here. Okay, pretty simple. It just says to match up the colors of the wires to where the harness is. White, black, boom, ready to go. Next step, connect the HogLights to the wiring harness. Let's do that. What's going on here? All right. Yeah, that's one. Damn, it's a tight fit. Bit of a mission put in. There we go. What's the next step? One thing I forgot to do, remove the internal bulb assembly. Obviously you don't need that anymore. Tuck that back in here. Now we just have to place these in. All right, and it says the oval is at the bottom. I'm guessing pretty easy. It says HogLights, so we'll have that down the bottom. Obviously you're not gonna have that upside down. That would make sense. Big oval spreads at the bottom. Spread the harness around a little bit so it fits all snug. Might be a little bit fiddly initially. And then Bob's your uncle's nephew, sister's cousin, mate. Hey? And should look like that. Heck yeah, next step. I think we remove the film first. These look mental. Wow. Next step is put this on. Start with the bottom first because the little brackets. Might be a bit fiddly. It's got all these clips around the top. It's still not perfect because I have to put the screw in. Same as where we took them out. Super simple. I haven't even raged today. What the hell? It's weird. Alright, now I'll just tighten the other side. Alright. Now just give them a little wipe over. Look at those, wow. It's bloody awesome. Alright. What's the final step? It says sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of your drink. Can't be that easy. I haven't even checked if it works yet. Should probably check that, eh? I probably should have checked that when I plugged them in. Anyway, let's have a quick look. Because you guys know how everything goes for me. What? Yes! Yes! It works. They're the easiest instructions I've ever had in my life. And I was able to do it myself. How good's that? Holy demon, look at these baddies. No way. They're both on at once. And high beam. Ka-chow! Well, if that isn't a testament to HogLights, that you should check them out right now. Go check them out, HogLights. They have over 3,000 different lights for motorcycles and various other things, lights, tail lights, blinkers, indicators, surrounds, like whatever you want. Lights, let's go. HogLights.com.au. If that isn't testament right there, like I just plugged them in, I didn't even check, and they work, everything, both lights together, they look awesome, they already look way brighter, but we're gonna do a test tonight. I do have previous footage which I'll put up in just a second. I'll show you what they look like before, and then I'll get some footage tonight and I'll show you what they look like afterwards. So that's pretty cool. I'm absolutely stoked, and they look mean as well because they've got the black surround in behind there. He sent me the ones with the black inserts, or whatever you call it, the black background. So thanks so much, HogLights, Nate. Really appreciate that. It was a nice Christmas present. It was a good start to the new year, that's for sure. And as you've seen, I'm telling you, that's the easiest install I've ever done in my life. The instructions are super simple. Get yourself some, do yourself a favor. That's awesome. That's bloody awesome. Far out. Let's go. I'm keen to test them tonight. All right. Well, I'm going to put this bike back together, and then we'll fast forward to night time, and I'll jump on the bike and we'll test them out, eh? That's exciting. Let's go. Nearly forgot, far out. Use code Gnarly10 if you're gonna buy something from HogLights. Use code Gnarly10 for 10% off. Nate's looking after you guys. He said here's a code for your viewers. So if you want 10% off, Gnarly10, and yeah, how good's that? How good's that? So shout out to HogLights. Thanks so much. They're awesome. Gonna jump out soon, and we're gonna test them out. Here we go. This is with the fairing back on. How good's that look? Let's turn it off. Alright, I had to go run some errands and do a wardrobe change and have a shower, because friggin' hell, after all this rain, it's been raining for like 2 weeks straight here in Queensland on the Sunshine Coast. The humidity today, mate, I'm dying. And everyone knows I hate the heat. I hate sweating, and I've already gotten changed and I'm instantly sweating again. I hate it. Anyway, these lights are amazing. They look amazing. I was out and a couple of people commented on how cool they look. So how good's that already? Everyone already loves the look of them. I can even see the brightness reflecting off stuff in the day. So I know there's going to be a big difference. But yeah, obviously tonight we'll get into it. So I'll show you now. I'll show you the beforehand, what they looked like on the ride last night. So I did a little test ride last night. I'll show you that now, and then we'll go for a ride. I'll come back and we'll go for a ride tonight, and I'll show you the difference. Hopefully there's a big difference. Fingers crossed. All right, it's now just before 8 o'clock at night. So as you've seen the lights beforehand, now I'm gonna jump out and show you the new HogLights. Hopefully they're a lot better. Let's check it out anyway. No mucking around, let's jump on the bike, eh? Just keep in mind the GoPro is terrible in low light situations, terrible at night. I've tried to fix my settings for it, but we'll see how we go. All right, let's do it. That's way better. I think I got to adjust them down a bit, but that is way better. That's awesome. All right, let's go for a ride. Just got back. Hell yes. Hell yes. Did you just notice the difference? I hope the camera showed you guys the difference. There was a massive difference. Sorry, I think there's bugs on the screen. I swear on my life, there's a huge difference. I can actually see at night. It's yeah, no pun intended, it's night and day. Dude, these are so good. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. Thanks so much, HogLights. I really appreciate it. Wow, I didn't think it would make this much difference, but holy damn. I think I do have to adjust them a bit more. There is instructions here on how to adjust them. I think it was 7 meters back, find a flat wall, but I don't have that right now. I don't have that luxury here. I've got a steep ass driveway and not that much room. But I'll adjust them a bit over the next few days, but I hope the camera shows the difference. Massive difference. Holy cow. I've seen like 3 possums. You usually don't see anything. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Please check out HogLights. He was nice enough to send me some, so I really appreciate that. He's keeping me safe, and if you guys want to be safe as well, definitely get some. Holy crap, I highly recommend them. Use my code if you want, Gnarly10 for 10% off. I'm impressed. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. And my bike doesn't look like a Cyclops anymore. It looks bloody beautiful. Alright, well thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Me getting my new sexy lights. What a cool Christmas present that was. So bloody cool. Alright, well thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.